Hello, today we are going to solve some past paper question on indices. So, the first questions tell us to evaluate 7 to the power minus 3 divided by 7 to the power minus 4. So, here the two terms are in division form and the bases are same. So, we will apply the quotient rule. So, 7 minus 3 minus minus 4. So the power of the denominator will be subtracted from the power of numerator. So 7 to the power minus 3 minus multiplied by minus plus 4. Okay. So 7 power 1 equals to 7. So the question B tells us to find the value of k when 3 to the power 6 whole power k equals to 3 to the power 2. Okay. So first we need to apply the power of power to the left hand side. So 6 and k will be multiplied. So 3 to the power 6k equals to 3 square. Okay. So as the bases are same on the both sides of the equation, we can write the power to be equal. Okay. So k will be 2 by 6. So the answer will be 1 by 3. The question C tells us to simplify 3, 2 square multiplied by 3 cube multiplied by 5 to the power 4 whole square as a form 2 power A multiplied by 3 power B multiplied by 5 power C. So first we need to apply the distribution law. So the power 2 will be distributed to all the factors here. So 3 2 square power 2 multiplied by 3 cube power 2 5 to the power 4 to the power 2. Okay. So power of power will multiply. So 2 to the equal becomes 4 and 3 becomes 6 and 5 becomes 5 to the power 4 into 2. So 4 becomes 8. Okay. So here we need to do some 3 to the power 1 and 3 to the power 6. So the bases are same, so power will be added as they are in multiplication form. So 6 plus 1 will be added. So 3 to the power 7 multiplied by 5 to the power 8. So this is our answer. So moving to the next question. The next questions tell us to evaluate this expression. So the expression is root 9 multiplied by cubic root 64 whole square. Okay. So root 9 becomes 3, cubic root 64 becomes 4 whole square. So 3 square multiplied by 4 square. So 9 times 16. So it becomes 144. Okay. So moving to the next questions. The next questions tell us to find the value of k from this expression. So y to the power k whole power minus 2 equals to y to the power 5. So the power of power will be multiplied. So y minus 2k equals to y to the power 5. So as the bases are equal, so the power will be also equal. So 2k equals to 5, so it becomes k equals to minus 5 by 2. So this is our answer. Next question B tells us to simplify the expression x to the power 1 by 3 divided by 2x whole power 3. So first we need to apply the quotient rule as there are two terms of same basis. Okay, so x to the power 1 by 3 and x to the power 1 are in same basis, so we can write, so x to the power 1 by 3 minus 1 over 2 power 3. So x to the power minus 2 by 3 divided by 2 whole power 3. So the power will be distributed, x to the power minus 2 by 3 power 3 to cube. Okay, so this will be cancelled out as it is a multiplication form. Power of power will be multiplied, so x to the power minus 2 by 8. So the final expression will be 1 by 8 x square. So this is our answer. As the power is in negative form, so we can write it's in reciprocal with positive power. So moving to the next questions, they tell us to find m from this expression. The expression is x to the power 6 by x to the power m equals to x to the power minus 3. So we will apply the quotient rule to the left hand side, so the power in the denominator will be subtracted from the numerator. So 6 minus m equals to x to the power minus 3. So as the bases are same, so power will be also same. So we can write 6 minus m equals to minus 3. So minus m equals to minus 3 minus 6. So minus m equals to minus 9. So finally m equals to 9. So moving to the next questions. So they tell us to evaluate 4 to the power 0. So we know anything to the power 0 is 1. So next, tell us to simplify this simple expression m to the power 3 multiplied by m to the power 5. So the power will be added as they are in multiplication form. So 3 plus 5 will be added. So m to the power 8. So these are some basic practice problem selected from the past papers.